Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We just had a PvP match with the team internally again. $5,000 worth of MCRT, which was around 700,000 MCRT. In the future, my goal is to make that $7 million. So we had an amazing epic game with the team testing it internally. So what we're doing right now, we're having internal testing with the team. Then we're going to have a closed public launch to only Guardians. So anyone, the Templar Guardians, anyone that has more than 1 million MCRT, and anyone that holds a Genesis NFT collection. You need to have either of those things to access the closed beta. So right now we're in the team closed beta, then there'll be a closed beta, and then we'll have the public beta, and a lot of exciting things happening, huge things, a lot of different talks with a lot of different partnerships that are coming out. My goal is to have build up a lot of pressure right now. A lot of people talking about Magiccraft, gaming influence, crypto influencers, and a lot of people are starting to talk about Magiccraft everywhere, showing the gameplay footage in the trailer. Next will be to launch, be listing on some of the biggest exchanges, one after the other, in different time frames, like split, going towards Christmas, building up a lot of noise, a lot of pressure, releasing beta version in public testing, NFTs. We're going to have more than 25 NFT characters integrated into the game. And these are already 3D modeled, rendered, wireframed characters. These aren't just like, it's very exciting if you're in the play to earn space. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. We're going to jump into Bitcoin. I'm going to show you some of this stuff. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm a multi-millionaire. I've been trading for 21 years. I've been an investor. I'm the founder of Magiccraft, the MCRT, a play to earn game. Currently around 10 million, fully diluted, almost 90 million. The goal is to beat Axie Infinity, which has, we're at 10 million. Axie Infinity is 1.5 billion, and our game is better. And that's what the play to earn space is. $300 billion a year industry. It's bigger than football, soccer, basketball, any other net movies. It's bigger than movies gaming. So pay attention to this. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going Bitcoin and Magiccraft. I'm going to just cover in this video. Mostly I'm going to be covering those now mainly. And altcoins that I'm liking, like Solana and BNB. So we're going up in this rising wedge, this one here, but it's more like a channel. It's not really closing as a wedge. So right now we're going in a channel here, and we got rejected off there actually perfectly. Bitcoin got rejected off that 25,000 and coming down, but we're holding support here. Stochastic is oversold, 4-hourly oversold, daily coming down. So it could pull back for the next few days, but the weekly is looking great, and I think there's just too much pressure. It's going to send it. On the 4-hour, looking good, making higher lows, lower highs, higher highs and higher lows. So it's still climbing. You can see Bitcoin on the 4-hour is still climbing. Even with this rejection today, it's looking actually very bullish. A lot of volume coming in. I would be going long here on Bitcoin, expecting longer. Big congratulations if you've been buying down the bottom with me. I think we were buying at 18, 19, so we made huge gains already. And a big cup and handle here on the longer term time frame. So Bitcoin can really explode above 20. To really go very bullish, we need to break this red line that started on November 11th. That's when we go November 11th, 2021. If we can break above there, above that 26,500, it's game on. And it looks like it's coiling to do that. I mean, we could get here you could sell your positions at 26 in case it gets very strongly rejected off. But I would be careful selling down here. There was too much panic before. So the trade I would take on Bitcoin is utilizing this big drop that we had today. It is on the daily. We still have around 8 hours left, but that's a bearish hammer candle. But we have more time still to close. Let's see what it does. And I think it's going to close with a big bang. Why? Because you have this formation is multiple pushes. It pushed here, 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 it pushed here. It's not like pushing down many times, right? It's not doing this. It's doing this. It's trying to push up over and over, pushing up. It's going to blow. It's pressure building. So I would take a long on Bitcoin, this one. You can close out there or get ready for a massive trade if this is really the bottom of Bitcoin. So this trade, the one I just showed you now, the smaller term time frame, you would sell it at 27,000, right? And you make $400 risk, $409 to make $2,900 with 10x leverage, $29,000, right? So that's a good, but it could, if this is the bottom, and that's why I've been buying a lot of spot of Bitcoin. I don't just trade, I'm managing my portfolio. If you can catch this movement, if this is really the bottom, and we did catch the bottom here, I have more capital if it isn't, but I think it is. But if we catch this movement over the longer term time frame, And in the long run, you got to remember Bitcoin is a new technology that's replacing gold, and it's not something small. But anyway, you would risk $409 to make $46,000. With 10x leverage, it will be $460,000. So that would be epic risk to reward ratio trade if you took that towards the all-time highs. That's the trade I would actually take on Bitcoin. That's what I've done actually. If you want to trade, you can sign up. The link down below. I trade on Bybit, Binance, and I don't have Bybit in that open. Okay, I don't have Bybit in that open, but let's check out MCRT. Magiccraft, this is what I'm talking about as well. Magiccraft right now is 0.008, 4.5% up against Bitcoin, 7% against Ethereum, ranked 3,083. So it's still it's not anywhere near the top 100 yet. Ethereum, BNB, Phantom Chain, CERTIC ordered, $10 million valuation, 80 million fully diluted, 773,000 of volume. Chart is kind of holding here, building pressure in my opinion. 7-day, and I'm the founder of this project. Look at the chart over the monthly period and over the 3 months. So it's really it's kind of, see how it goes up, rests up. Let's see what happens next. But yeah, don't forget as well, you can stake MCRT. The APR is currently at, is it loading? 405 million TVL, 31% APR, and there's different bonuses for different durations of staking and lockup periods. You can get it on Pancake Swap, and which is beautiful. And I want to show you this. So this was today's PvP match with the Magiccraft team for $5,000, which is $570,000 as 570,000 MCRT right now. Mateusz again, the CEO again winning. This is Mateusz. He keeps winning every single game. We're getting close, but 3 people came close to beating him. We played 5 matches for the winning. I'm going to show you it now. So this is the CEO Mateusz in the top left.
Best man win $5,000. How much is that? How much is that in MCRT? It's like 500,000 MCRT.
No, it's
half a million MCRT. 700,000 MCRT. In the future, guys, that will be $7 million. If we hit our goal, $10, that will be $7 million. This prize pool. So just keep that in mind. Okay, to the ball. No more ball. What is this, Roman? Next time, deathmatch.
Sure, this is captured. Yes, I found the go-to thing.
Oh, you gotta push everyone. It's not just if you're the best player. Your team also has to win. Keep that in mind. So make sure we're pushing the ball and we're all together. Everyone get behind me on the ball. Let's defend it and kill. Kicking Anastasia's ass. What? No! How did that happen? She killed me. Anastasia, you cost me $7 million.
This is the play-to-earn Magiccraft game. It was an epic match. And what's very cool and very powerful so this is Magiccraft's valuation right now, 10 million. And this is Axie Infinity's valuation. Axie Infinity, it's ranked 40. It's on Ethereum, Harmony, Solana, BNB. CERTIC also ordered $1.5 billion valuation they have. Magiccraft, the game, which is an epic game, this one, has 10 million market cap. Axie Infinity, which is a kids game, has $1.5 billion market cap, 4.9 billion fully diluted, $161 million of volume today. And this is Axie Infinity after a massive correction, by the way. At its peak, Axie Infinity reached a market cap. I can see him here, market cap. It reached a market cap of it was higher. 9.77 billion its market cap was. And to put that in perspective, MCRT is 10 million. And this is Axie Infinity's game. So I just want to show you what Axie Infinity game looks like. Okay, I can show you on Twitter. So this is, this is the Magiccraft game. Internet a little bit slow. This is the trailer. This is the Magiccraft game. This is PC version. This is the mobile version on Android and iOS. That's Magiccraft game. And this is Axie. Which has a $1.5 billion valuation. Not that I'm saying it's a bad game. I'm just saying Magiccraft is much, much better. And my goal is to make it the top 10 market cap. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. You're inside my bedroom. I'm in a robe. My fiance is doing some doctor thing. So in the other room, she has classes on Zoom also. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. Love you all. Congratulations, everyone, on the gains. We really need Bitcoin to break this downward trend line. A lot of big exciting things are coming up for Magiccraft. So if you're my audience, do your own due diligence and look into the project. If you're up in the last month, a lot of you are up like 400, 500%. Big congratulations. But again, if you haven't yet, look into Magiccraft. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.